What's the difference between early disposition court and felony court in Arizona? When you first get arrested, you're going to have the initial appearance. That is when you're going to see the judge, the release conditions are set, and you get a bond or not. Between now and then, you're going to have the status conference and the preliminary hearing. These are in the early disposition court, or they call it RCC or EDC. This is a 30-day court. You have to make very big decisions here, but this court is for small cases only. Think of it as an underground river. While this is going on, right around here, this might go to the grand jury. This is a secret jury that is going to review the charges, and then they might just get an indictment. So the indictment might say, well, this is a bigger case, and then we're going to push the case to the trial level. If the case doesn't resolve in the early disposition court in 30 days, it's still a felony. But this is going to be moved to the trial level. And first, you're going to have the not guilty arraignment, which we call the NGA. And then it's going to move to the initial pretrial conference, the comprehensive pretrial conference, the final trial management conference, and then you have trial. And you think, okay, that's not too bad, but not so fast. When the case is a big case, like a very serious case, like a homicide or a sex crimes, what happens is that these are going to change into what's called a complex case management conference when the case gets designated complex. So then here, you're gonna have many of these hearings, and the case could go on for a long time until it gets to trial. So this is the normal trial schedule. And the brown here, this that could last a very long time, is a complex designation. If you want to hear more about the complex case management conferences, stick around to the next video.